table at the meeting, no greeting. Skip the line, skip the dishes, bitch, I'm eating. I'm speeding through my business plan like reading. If you ain't got what I want, then I'm leaving. I wanna raise and some benefits. Put a lazy boy chair, kick my feet up, Eddie in the vid. I've been nice at rapping since Nintendo Beat Genesis and Laurie ushered at me as a model up in residence, yeah. With my hair like a Milo, I want all the smoke, watch it below. For real though, what you need from me? Y'all sleep country. Now watch me pry they face up out they pillow. And still I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. New York Fashion Week, strutting on the catwalk. I ain't trust a single motherfucker who can fast talk. Except me, I'm a G. Once I blast off, a massage will let me argue with the wax off. I can feel the breakthrough. I ain't see a sour face, we don't do no grapefruit. I just in my stride, this is more to make do. We can do it live, I ain't need a take two. Nah, I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. I ain't done. I'm on the come up like the sun. I'ma get it while I can. I ain't tryna leave with none. I ain't done. I'm doing laps, I'm on the run. I just need a chance, man. All I need is one. Hey, I'm trying to set sail, but it's windless here. Yet I'm back now from the windless year. Yeah, I quit looking in a tinted mirror, and you see me draped up in that vintage gear. That's a clean slate. Miss me with that mean face. Boy, I'm cutting off the lames, that's a clean break. See, I'm on something sweet like a bean cake. I'm eating good, yeah, that's a clean plate. Can't hold me back, it feels good to feel good. My heart told me that. I'm taking in the sun as I slowly rap. Cause I'm in the zone, you have to phone me back. I got a homie that who tryna smoke the day away. Hella shit to get, I can't throw it up or layaway. Sorting out the 808s and handling the day-to-day. So while you always on the couch, you can stay away. I don't care what you gon' say. Y'all can't mess with my feng shui. Eyes on me like a runway. Stay laid back like a Sunday. No bad days is how I'm living. No bad days is how it is.
Yo, how's it going?
No bad days is how I get it.
What's up, Daga?
Bad days is just how it is.
Good morning.
No bad days is how I'm living.
Ooh, good morning, bro. Freaking slept through. I slept through Frankfurt and London Open. I don't know if I can do 3 a day, man. I might have to settle for just 2 a day. Invisible. No, it's better than just saying stream starting soon. I have to share the links and stuff. Anyway. Good morning, Blackie Chan. Welcome, bro. Yeah, I just added to my lungs for like a little, just a little wave up. I don't know how long it's gonna last. Let's see. 12. See, this is what I said before I passed out too, at the beginning of Asia. I added to my lungs here I wanted a little pullback. But now I might be shifting into an uptrend because it's gonna keep going. Bring top down. Let's see. Yeah, could sweep the highs. Relatively equal highs here. Yo, good morning, Frank. Welcome. Good morning, Melissa. Good vibes only. But yeah, I was saying, man, I don't know if I can do 3 a day, bro. I don't know if I can do that. Because I don't know if it's good for the sleep schedule. Because, like, I like going all these lives and supporting the bros and stuff from, like, now until 10. That's, like, 6 hours of lives. And then, yeah, I don't know, man. See how it goes. I'll keep trying. Oh, sweet. Whoa, K-Diggs, what up? Good morning, bro. Thanks for showing up. So yeah, that works out. What didn't work out? Well, it's kind of actually good though. Yeah, I'm expecting a little leg up. Not a huge one, but. And a day, no. Yeah, 2 is pretty good because then I do one every 12 hours almost, right? And that should melt and merge into both both sides of the world. Because right now Frankfurt and London are still up. There's getting ending, and then New York will start, and they merge together. They overlap for a bit. But yeah, the stream last night, I was expecting a jog up, and we got it, but I was passed out, so I didn't take profit, I don't think. And then now we retraced for a fake low. See, they faked high, faked low. You could have played the range, but yeah, I'm still expecting this to go up. And lots of times when orbs overlap like this, it means they're gonna send it even more, because this is just Asia and London building positions here. In my head, that's how I see it. What's sleep? It's the thing I barely get. You know? That thing. Cause yeah, I do this on your guys' lives and a couple other people's lives till like for 6 hours. And then I have to study and trade and drop stuff in the discords and like eat, shower, live a bit. And then I go live again in the evening. But yeah, so that's like already just from. And then I support Lunar Beaches and Joe's too. So like, it's a long day. That's 4 a.m. to 8 p.m. 4 to 4 is 12 hours plus 4 hours, 16-hour day. And then 0 wind down. Just try to go to sleep and get up for this again. Yeah, that's a pretty full day. Oh yeah, and last night when I was doing the math on this on the 15-minute maybe it was a half hour, I don't know. But I was trying to do the math from here. 6, I was like 6. Or no, it was 4. I was like 4 a.m. to 4 a.m. to 10 a.m. and I kept saying 4 hours. It's actually 6 hours. So yeah, my bad. And something else I said wrong. Oh yeah, I said a bull div when it was a bear div. Bear divs are definitely at the top. Bull divs are definitely at the bottom. I said it backwards. Sometimes when you're in the chat and stuff and trying to think and chart and explain stuff, you make mistakes because I'm human. But yeah, I just thought I'd like correct those, so if anyone new was like watching and they're like, oh, this all makes sense, and then they like were like, what? Everything's backwards? But yeah, so Asia and London orbs are together. What if we just range? Oh yeah, when's the Blackie Chan? Is today a data day or something? News or data or something? I heard that the market kind of just might linger until they release that stuff. Maybe that's why it's just ranging right now. This looks like bottoming structure, to be honest, though. Like, potentially. It's rounding, you know? It's slowing down. Momentum is slowing down. I know people that don't know how to trade that good and don't understand different perspectives make fun of trend lines and make fun of a bunch of different ways of trading because, I don't know, maybe it's too complicated for their brains or whatever, I don't know. If you track this momentum with this trend line, see, it's breaking the momentum. It's slowing down. And now look at it. Now it's starting to range, right? See? It's like sideways momentum, right? That's what you'd call that, eh? Amazing how much a ruler and a line can do, eh? It's amazing. So, you could treat this as a range until proven otherwise. Long the bottom, short the top. Long the bottom, short the top. Stop loss above the highs and the lows of the range till it breaks and sends it, right? I'm still expecting more up though. Like this jog up, I'm expecting that again. It just keeps trying. And we're getting a higher low here, so that's good too. Yo, what up, Jesse? Good morning, bro. Yeah, 2's totally okay, bro, for sure, right? Thanks. Appreciate you, Frank. Appreciate your input too. Hanging around monthly open. That makes sense. Indecision. Where's those white lines we marked last night? Oh, they're there. Where's the bottom one though? Mark 2. I only see one. Right. Monday high. Oh yeah, so when we passed out, where was Monday high when we passed out? Or when I passed out from last night's stream. There's Kellyphant. What up, Kelly? Short what? I added to my longs before bed, and I took some profit, and then I just added to my longs again because we're double bottoming, ranging sideways, losing. See? Juicy, juicy, very juicy. But no, I slept that shit. I didn't short that shit. I slept that shit, and it's like the tiniest little move down. The upward moves. This one's good though. But I was asleep. Did you short that shit? I shorted from the top from yesterday morning. Oh, and Kelly, I was watching that video. I always watch my video to like critique what I'm doing and like to see the chat, to see what I missed and stuff, so I don't feel like a douche. And you requested virtuals last night, and I totally didn't see it until I replayed the watch. So let's hit that up. And I was saying how I kept saying 4 hours when I was measuring the oscillators and how long it took to play out. Remember when I was like, oh, 15-minute usually takes 4 to 8 hours to play out, and I kept measuring it, and it was like 4:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. and I kept saying 4 hours, but it's 6 hours, man. I was multitasking. My math wasn't mathing on the multitasking there. Oh, this is our virtual setup from the other day, bro. Check it out. We got a bit of juicy prof, and then boom, back into the stop, like into drawdown, slight drawdown. What if we got 1-to-1 on this? 1 to 1.5. But that's using the wide stop from the laddered entries example here. But if it's from the lows, tight. Barely a 1-to-1. So yeah. Lame. What? Is that Henderson? You found me, bro. Where'd you find the link? How'd you find it? That's dope, bro. I appreciate your support, man. For real. Like a lot. I just didn't want to be grimy in Alex's chat and dropping my brand, my name, without his support, without his go ahead. Oh, new subscriber. That's dope. Nice. Thanks for coming, bro. Appreciate you. Okay, so virtual. See, virtual's chopping the 2 orbs too. Let's check it out. Oh, that's so hard to read. It's up. It's trying to go up. Yeah, it's trying. It's a choppy, slow grind up though. We already went up from the other day, but then we retraced. Didn't hit our second entry yet. Chopping these orbs. Let's check out the 4 hour. Oh, nice. Oh, dude. What? 4 hour bull div. Money flow divergence. Yellow dots. Power bars dimming. Could be doing a little goose head in there. Or it could be falling over for a double bull div. Did I say it backwards again? Yo, Crypto Bedell, good morning, bro. Oh, nice. Nice, our group. What group? Oh, Jesse, you should drop the Discord. I didn't put it in the description yet. I'll do it this morning. Maybe Henderson and Bedell want to join or something. Show support, help fill the Discord up while it's free. Probably gonna be free for a long time, but one day I'll always have a free section though. I'll have free, and I'll just be like tiered, right? And there'll always be lots of value in the free section. Cause I started out not being able to afford any indicators or any Discords, and I want to help those people forever. But yeah, so that's the 4 hour. We got room to the upside on the 4 hour. Tiny candles. Could be for a continuation. Yeah, this is a weak pullback. Continuation up. Potentially and hopefully. Money flow. Seems like it could be bottoming out and pointing upward. Got a blue dot reversal too on the 2 hour. Thanks, Jesse. Appreciate you. Yeah, see money flow bottoming-ish here, making higher low, like higher highs. If you trend this high is below this high, and here I'll show you. This high, these highs are above these highs, right? Downtrend, uptrend. Bedell, you should watch the stream from last night, bro. And good morning to you too, sir. Because I talk in more detail about the orb, the 2 lines. But I can show you in the new year too. Me and Bedell got stuff cooking. Blood diamond reversal. That's at the top. Look at this. Spider webs. It's like a diamond spider web bear divs. That's cool. So yeah, this could be bottoming and trending up. Let's zoom in for a better look. Hopefully it's not petering out. Yeah, this looks good. Trending up. Yo, what up, JV? Good morning. Or good evening, or what time is it there? Yeah, it'd probably be like evening or something, eh? 7 p.m? I forget. Money flow. Ooh, volume. Tipping up a touch. Blackie Chan. That money flow looks choppy as shit. Could come down a bit more. Could come down, consolidate. Then maybe US will sweep the lows and send it. Who knows? But I don't know. It still hold along. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, it's down by this setup still. Like this laddered approach setup. If New York sweeps the lows, it'll just pick up this other order that we had here. In theory. Pick out Bitcoin, even though Solana looks exact. Oh yeah, 7 p.m. Dope, nailed it. Check out Bitcoin, BTC, USD, TB. I'll do what everyone else does too. Let's check out the bubbles. Let's check out the bubbles. Just for a broad overview of the market, I guess, eh? Chilling in this, what's it called? Demand zone? Pretty sure that's what that one's called. Sometimes I do things like flipping backwards in my head. Because I learned so much stuff. So, yeah. Demand. Nailed it. Nailed it. Chilling in this demand zone. Is it 420? Oh. Should I go do it? Should I go do it? I want to take a second. Top damage. Yes, we do. Uptrending still. We're still trying to uptrend. Trying to. Also could be. What's it called, Kelly? Bear flag? Could be, eh? Isn't that what that is when price does pullbacks and continues? Isn't that called bear flags? When it does a pullback and then continues down. And then when it's going up and it does a pullback and continues up, that's the bull flag. AKA a retracement. In different shapes. Yeah. Total bear flaggy. Yep. Could be. Could just be a weak little attempt to go up and then boom! Continuation of the bear. I'm not expecting nothing crazy, no all-time high. What time is it? Where you're at, Kelly? Yeah, trapping some longs. Getting people's hopium up. That's why I do small size, ladder in, because then I got some of this long, took profit, added it back in, got some of this long, took profit, added it back in. Now I'm taking profits as this goes up. And then when it falls down, like say we're here, take profits, and then it goes juice, so then my short starts printing. And then I add to my around this bottoming on the momentum indicators. I add to my long here and then start my long printing. And then I add to my shorts on these little peaks up, take profits down low, just let them take turns. 8x small size, so I can add in and out, give take. No donations, no donations to the market. Is it a helicopter noise? Sweet. I don't know. It's probably Jesse 420 and flying high, taking off. Anyways, that's the 8 hour. Yeah, see, this could just be a little pullback and continuation up here too. But for how long? Let's check out the higher time frame. Yeah. This could be either really good or really bad. The song's awesome by Mitchell Lawler, Fafo. Fuck around and find out. Oh, did I? Yeah, I do all sorts of fun stuff. Fun, weird stuff. I can't even keep track, so I gotta watch it back to see what happened. How could it be so? Oh yeah, I could see me doing a helicopter noise. I could see that. See, money flow's trying to go up. You know what makes me mad, BC? Like, not real mad, but... Yeah, let's put on 2 prime oscillators. I'll show you something that kind of bugs me a little bit. Oscillator Pro Plus. Sometimes I like having 2 on them, honestly. And I'll take off this just to get it out of the way. Where is it? Right there. Bye, my friend. Okay. Let's make these bigger. Let's do a little test. A little test. So, this is what bugs me. Oh, frick. I gotta drop this again. Okay, so let's turn on money mode. This one? There. I don't know, I guess they're the same. It's just a bit of a different view. I was gonna say it bugs me that money mode, I thought money mode was way different. But it's just different because it's on a different scale. So if I flatten it out, it's actually the same. Yeah. Okay, I guess it doesn't make you mad. Sorry, Chartin. Your money flow adds up to your money mode. But yeah, I know people that used to look for divergences just trading with this alone. But now they added that money flow divergence yellow dots. These. So you don't have to really look as hard. But yeah, I was considering trying it, but don't have to because it's in the background and it's the same one. So I don't even know. It's just a different way of doing it, I guess. Shout out to Trench Juice. He's into the money flow divergences. Pretty hardcore about it. Primed. RSI primed. Boomski. Let's check out this. Where's Jesse going? Oh, you're gonna have lunch? Okay, bro. Have a good lunch, bro. Grandmas are the best. Shout out to the grandmas. Okay. Oh yeah, Kelly, another thing I've messed up when I was streaming because I got distracted was the Peak Seeker. You wanted me to talk about the Peak Seeker again, remember? I don't memorize stuff that doesn't mean much to me, right? Yeah, it says the same thing I said. It's a reversal thing. We knew that, though. Blue dots mark potential reversal areas. Places where momentum may shift. It uses an algorithm. Or one of the 2 algorithms, depending on the settings. What? I don't know. Like what? Like how do I change the settings to change the Peak Seeker? That doesn't even... Anyways. Which incorporates multiple underlying measures. Price action, volume, volatility, oscillator behavior to improve reliability compared to simple indicators. Peak seeker is an auto optimizer per time frame, meaning the indicator recalibrates its setting depending on which time frame you view to keep the signals adaptive. Yeah, so it's a reversal signal, and it means price might reverse soon. But yeah, it's hard to like find out all the proprietary secrets that are proprietary and then talk about them because it's illegal, and I don't work. I'm not that close to the Chart Prime team, and if I was, I wouldn't be for long if I talked about their proprietary secrets. But yeah, so that's the available information on it, and it's a reversal signal. And like I was saying, it prints at a time often, and I wouldn't trade them alone. But they work. You could trade them alone, but I just wouldn't. Luna 2? What's that? I think everything's technically trending. Even if it's slight. Like this is a slight uptrend. And a sharper downtrend. Let's check out Luna. I don't even know how to find it. It's such a shit coin, probably. Luna 2? Do I have to put 2 in the ticker? Or just USDT? Oh yeah, you put it in the ticker. Okay. Let's look at this. Didn't the first one like wreck a bunch of people? Oh yeah, that's a strong uptrend. It would just finish strong downtrend too. Remember, like I was saying the other day, after they go down for a while, then they go up for a while. It's never a straight line any which way. Looks like it could go up more though. Maybe. On the 4 hour, looks like it could go up more. This is orange divergence, so that's a hidden divergence. It's not a red one. The normal divergences hit harder than hidden ones, but hidden ones can hit. Icons. Yeah, probably. But isn't Luna the huge one? Like the big collapse? FTX, Luna stuff? Isn't that the one that like actually wrecked people? Like no more, like no money? No more money? Let's check out this one. Time frame. Yeah, we could be about to make a bear div. See? Lower high on the prime RSI, higher high here. So this might be a juicy short now or soon. That, like this, but it's not. It hasn't reversed yet though. So it's not a confirmed bear div, but it's a potential. It's a potential developing bear div right now. I don't know what's over there. Flow colder than a polar bear. Au contraire. Let's see what. Might go for previous week high though. Sweep these highs. Might. Because it's already got above previous day high and it's claimed it. It's got above this point of control, claimed it. Doesn't mean it can't fall over from here. It just means it might not. It might go up there. Or it might wick up there. Like how, like, pretty much exactly like that. But like, just more. Just like a little, just to sweep this liquidity above everyone's stop losses and any resting sell orders. 60K. I swear that number gets lower every day. I'm buying at 48K. This is pink line. And That's why I busted so hard too. Boom. This is potentially juicy. If it wasn't such a shit coin, I'd trust it. Could be a fat head and shoulders too, aka higher high than a lower high. That's basically what a head and shoulders is. It's just to like help people memorize market structure. Everyone acts like it's some big boogeyman or something. It's so hard to comprehend. It's such it's magic, or it's like it's astrology, or like it doesn't work, and like people dog on so much stuff. It's like, dude, if people can trade it profitably and you're still broke, why are you hating on everyone's shit? Shout out to all the people that don't know how to trade and talk about other people's trading strategies. I'm not huge on them, but I see them. I'm not blind. It's just a high. It's just a. There's a high, and there's a higher high, then there's a lower high. Oh, it's so hard to comprehend. It's so magical. It's so mysterious. Let's hate on that because we suck at trading. People are funny. Yo, good morning, Donato Cabrera. How's it going, bro? Thanks for showing up. Appreciate you. What's the stop loss? Holy shit, 12% to the highs? Not taking that. Let's put that here. Alright, flat candle. Yeah, I go 4%. 4% is usually the widest stop I want to put on an alt. But it's a normal stop though. It's moving pretty quick. Let's put it right there, boom. But this might just be a scalp to retest the point of control or previous day high. Cause like I was saying on the 8-hour oscillators and stuff, it could still continue up. Chunky candle. They're not small yet. They didn't get small yet. Reverse. So that stop might get taken. These highs might get swept. Just saying. And it's a shit coin. Donato Cabrera, the legend, in my stream one day. That's cool. Yeah, if I didn't just sleep through London and Frankfurt Open, I'm good to go for the day now. I slept. I didn't even go out. I missed my stream. I was talking about it at the beginning, and in the Discord, that I might only be able to do 2 a day. 3 days might be too hardcore for me. But I'm still gonna try. Because I like the, it sounds cool. I like the idea of it. But yeah, I might just have to do the end of Frankfurt and London like right now. And then leading into NY. Prep. Pre-New York prep like we do right now. And then go on Asia. Asia Open at what, 8 Eastern, and because then Asia Open I can talk about Asia Orb, and then I can talk about with London how London Orb forms after, and then people can trade it while I'm sleeping. Yeah, sleep's super important, man. I was saying, like, I do without that third stream that I want to do, I do 16 to 18 hour days already. So it's like I'm kind of pushing it too much. Unless I stop going to as many live streams, like to support people and stuff, if I start missing a couple to get extra sleep. But I have a scalping sesh today, like a scalping it's like a workshop class. I have a scalping workshop class today, and I ain't missing that shit. So I'm glad I slept, so I have my brain, because I don't take notes, I just take mental notes. when you put in so many hours, man, it gets ingrained in your head, you know. I have some notes. I just don't take them like as I go. I'll just like learn for like hours and hours and like practice, learn, practice. And then when I'm like, oh, this is juicy, I'm gonna add it to my confluence list, or like this is juicy, I don't want to forget this rule that got me wrecked, or like something super important I'll write down. But just little fun stuff. I'm like back testing, forward testing, learning throughout the day. I don't write it. I just do it over and over again until I'm good at it. So yeah, just like I said back here. Before, was it back here? No, it was not. We're on a 2 hour. Just like I said at the beginning of Asia, I'm expecting a little jog up. I'm still expecting that. We got a brief attempt, and then now pull back again, and now we're going for another go. And Tiny Candles, shout out to OC, the Indicator God, and Piper at Piper Academy. Once BC shows me how to forward, or I ask AI or watch a video on it, we'll forward to BC after this, after my stream. Oh, my playlist. I restart it. There we go. And we're back. Okay, so yeah, Tiny Candles there. Sometimes when you zoom in, it gets harder to read sometimes. It's chopping. But yeah, see, Tiny Candles here. We got clipping. Ooh, this is even better than earlier. Earlier we didn't have clipping there. Yeah, this was last stream right here. Right at the beginning of these boxes. Remember how I guessed up first? Because of this? No, that's 1:30 a.m. Because of this? Is that right? No. I streamed around here. Yeah, right here. But yeah, remember how I guessed up? I was anticipating up. Side of the short. We got a little bit. See? We're streaming right here. Asia, open. Remember? And I was anticipating an up move. And we got one try at it, and then failure, and then boom! Nice little try here. So, if I wasn't passed out, I would have. I woke up to profits though. So that's cool. Let's see. Juicy, juicy, very juicy. Yeah, no, I'm just in slight profit. I'm gonna wait for New York. See if they sweep the lows and send it. What day is it too? That matters too. Tuesday? Yep, Tuesday. I'm just taking some profit real quick here. It's kind of what I do. There we go. Back to original position size. I'll add to this short. Too soon to add to the short. Let's see. Woo, Zek, let's go. Print, long print. Yeah, too soon to add to the short. Up 12% on 8x. Zach, I'm just doing that scalp long, just like I am here. But yeah, this looks double bottom-esque. Higher low slight. New York might sweep the lows, then send it. Or they might sweep the highs, then dump it. Or we might just slowly chop. Anything's possible. That's why I run longs and shorts too. Because I'm not psychic. Oh, you're in Zek too? Cool. I dropped this the other day in Piper Academy and in my free Discord. See, I'm expecting, yeah, this long. This is why I added to my long. I took profits on my short that I built from over here. And then I took profits on it down here earlier. And then I added to it here. And then I just took profits again and added to my long. And now my long's starting to print. And then I just took it down to original position size to be safe. And we're getting tiny candles here on the half hour. Money flows tipping up, fast indicators tipping up. Maybe I'll add a, no I'm not, yeah I could add a smidge to my long. I'm up 15%, yeah I'll add a smidge to it. Because I anticipate it to go further. So let's add a smidgeroo. And I'll take the difference off it. There. And then, ooh, we might reject off this anchored view up from the highs. Might. Let's see. I'll zoom in lower time frames to see if it's getting exhausted. If the up move's getting exhausted already. No, not really. It's kind of engulfing and getting bigger. So that's good. I wouldn't consider really closing or getting too shook out of my long until the candles start doing this. Getting small. Yeah, pump. Let's go. I think they're all kind of dead in a way. Let me check. But no. I don't think AVAX is. AVAX is pretty big, isn't it? Pretty big. Bigger than Luna 2. Yeah, it's just ranging. Didn't say it's dead. Wow. Just hang on. We're on the 8 minute. I gotta keep myself in check. Yeah, it might be dead. No, I don't think it's dead. Ooh, stiletto pattern. Shout out to Alex O. Is this a stiletto pattern? Some high heel looking high heel to me. But that scam wick makes this pattern kind of crazier right now. But still, could have a stiletto. Could have a stiletto. Want that puppy to pop. Let's check out. Oh, this is the 4 hour. That's not great. Zoom in. You guys, I forgot to go to the bathroom before I jumped on. I need to buy a trading chair with like a toilet built into it so I can just sit at my computer and scalp and like stare at candles all day, like watch the 1 minute chart and just like not have to leave. I got a cell phone. Yeah, this is looking sad, but it's also like it's coiling. I think that's what it's called. When stuff like kind of squeezes together. Coiling, and then it picks the direction eventually. Oh, those little things at the bottom piss me off. Jesus. Those little buttons at the bottom make me... I hate them. I will just do that. It's quite. They're getting tighter though. That's. Eesh. Yeah, it's coiling. I think it's called. This is a messy chart too. How many anchored VWAPs do I got on this thing? Let's clean it. A little better. This is on the 8 hour, eh? It's a dirty downtrend. Let's track it. Shout out to people that don't know how to trade. Let's track it. Okay, 4 hour. A slight deviation of the trend line. I wouldn't call that a clean break and retest. It's like a slight break and retest. But I wouldn't get too excited there. Yeah, it looks greasy, eh? But of course it's gonna look greasy after it. Did a bunch of right? And like, it's gonna go up and down. Price goes up and down. Like, let's check out. Here, let's do this. Let's compare it. See, sometimes these coins will give you Mixed signals? And then I'll check out USDT dominance too for more confluence. Oh, what up, Luke? Good morning, Luke. JV, what up, JV? I think I already said that up here, but yeah. Either way, I appreciate you guys. Yeah, it is looking rough. What time is it? 4:52. Cool, cool, cool. BC Pork Corp, 8 minutes, baby. 4-hour close. Yep. Every 4 hours. Let's see. I don't track that as much as I should. Maybe. Like the candle closes, weekly closes, monthly closes. Like, I pay attention to it, but I don't think about it lots. I just like when people mention it or when I take a peek, I'll see it. Kelly, you're a vampire. You're up all night though. Downside? Yeah. Very possible. I haven't closed my short, so I'm always leaning to some downside or some upside, but right now I'm leaning to a little jog up and then a continuation down. But we could sweep the lows first. Like, I'm not psychic, right? But let's zoom in on this USDT.
I got ace, punch my boss in the face. He's always on my case about how I'm running late, like wait.
Yeah.
Best keep your mouth shut when you talk to the dawn. Mattress full of cash.
Down. Yeah, I think we'll jog up a tiny bit more. Just a tiny bit more. We do have clipping on the 4 minute. I use this scalping too, USDT. Why did the candles change? Oh, USDT, you're gonna get it. Anyways, so you wanna wait for them to get tiny and blue? Or tiny and dark green? They're still light green. So I think they might come down a little more, which will send price up a little more. And then when this thing pops, this USDT, when it goes up again, then we'll get more downside for sure. And that could happen by New York Open for sure. Then we could sweep the lows or go further. And then yeah, see, we got room. Room to go down for sure. Money flow is trying to curve up. Bottom, up, down. This could be lower highs. It could be going down. So price action would go up. Yeah, I'm still gonna stick with short term, like super short term. Long. But when I went to bed, I was short-term long too, and it went up and down a little bit. It just kept ranging. And I'm still short-term long. Because it's been ranging. Which gives the higher time frame oscillators time to reset. So we could just keep ranging. Like this. Coil up, coil up, coil up, coil up. Like just like squeeze it into the tighter range, and then boom, pick a direction. Bearish retest on these anchored VWAPs from the high, and then continuation down to let our short print. Right? Trying. So yeah, this would have been a slight mild profit, or a stop loss. Not a stop loss on the short. No. Yeah, this would have been mild profit if you raised your stop loss to break even soon enough. You would have got stopped just a little better than break even. And then if you would have flipped short on this candle close below the orb, you would still be in it waiting for it to fall over. But I'm still in this. from the short. But yeah, I'm still waiting for them to take these lows. But they don't have to. 4-hour close. I feel like my brain would explode if I tracked like every hour or two like that, like on the candle closes. It's a lot of candles. I have trouble just tracking monthly and weekly and daily. Four-hour close, but there is a strategy around the 4-hour range. The first 4-hour range from New York. It's basically from. It closes at like 10, I think 10ish. That one, the candle that closes at the beginning of New York, the 4-hour candle. Okay, you're going to do stuff. See you, Frank. Have a good one. Yeah, for sure. Higher. Yeah, we could totally definitely go higher. We could go lower too. Like we might sweep these lows at New York Open. These weekend lows or just these local lows, like I was saying. We could just sweep these lows and then go up a bit. Bearish retest to continuation down. Yeah. I'm definitely not looking for the moon. We'd be lucky if we got to 100K. We are right now. At 90. Yeah, we'd be lucky for 93, 94 at this point. I had high hopes for like 100, but oh crap, stupid trend line. Not sure if she's gonna make her. Ooh, down reversal. Oh, I just got these. I didn't have these before. See them. Blood diamond down reversal. Blah blah blah. Played out. Oh, 458. BC Port Corp. See you, Frank. Have a good day. Yeah, maybe I'll see you at Asia Open. 4-hour close, eh? That's so tiny. It's gonna close in 40 seconds, yep. It looks bullish compared to the 4-hour before it. It looks bearish compared to this engulfing. Definitely not above the halfway. But yeah, bro. Thanks everyone for coming. I appreciate you guys. Have a good day. Happy printing. No, I just use my eyes. Like for the orb? I just meant of this candle. But yeah, you want a 50% everything. Because it's the mid. If you can hold above the mid, it's good. Always take profit at the mids and see we're at the mid right now. We're fighting to hold the mid right now. That's why these wicks keep getting bought up. Oh, part of the reason. See, this is a demand zone. That's why I marked this demand zone too. There's also an order block here. I don't want blocks on right now. Boy. Ninja Banish. Why does it say 29 point some K? Why is it saying that behind there? That's trippy, bro. Why would it say that? Weird. That's weird. Oh, is that the... Hang on. Oh, BC Pork Cup. Gotta go. Have a good one. Thanks. Happy printing.